Okay, today is day 2 of operations with matrices. We're going to be multiplying a matrix by a scalar. Okay, a scalar in matrix algebra is just a real number. It's outside of the matrix. So we're not multiplying matrices by each other. We're multiplying a matrix by a number outside the matrix. Okay, and when you do that, you just multiply every number inside the matrix by that scalar. So, for example, I've got this matrix, -2, 0, 4, and -1. And then this scalar outside here, which is a 4, I just multiply every number inside that matrix by that scalar. Okay, so multiply them all by 4. And my new matrix is right there, as shown. So if you'd like to write that down, go ahead. Okay, now when you're multiplying a matrix by a scalar, okay, you multiply everything inside the matrix by the scalar. But sometimes there's other operations, and so we have to continue to follow the order of operations. Okay, so in this case, we got to remember, okay, PEMDAS, and parentheses are first. So we have to add the two matrices together and then multiply by -2. Okay, so we add them up like we did yesterday. Okay, 1 plus -4, -2 plus 5, and so forth. And so now you've got a new matrix, and you're going to multiply everything in that matrix by -2. Okay, so go multiply them all by -2, and our new matrix is, as shown, 6, -6, -12, and 10. Okay, so again, important to follow the order of operations. Now, if you were looking at this and saying, well, couldn't I use the distributive property? You could. You could multiply -2 by both matrices separately and then add them up. I don't know if that would be easier. I think this way is probably easier, but you could use the distributive property. Okay, now there might not be parentheses, so I got to move on in my order of operations. There's no exponents, okay, but now I know I need to multiply before I add. M comes before A, so I multiply the 3, in this case, the 3 times that matrix, and then do the subtraction. Okay, so I multiply all of that by 3, and I've got a new problem, okay, just like we learned yesterday, subtraction with matrices. So I could just go through. If I want to change it to addition and add all the opposites to make it easier, that's fine. Okay, otherwise just subtract them, and there's your new matrix. Okay, all right, all done. Short notes today. See you tomorrow.